Some days, you just don't have the energy. Not to be productive, not to be social, not even to pretend you're okay. And in those moments, it's so easy to think something's wrong with you. Like you're falling behind. Like you're not enough. But hear this. Your worth isn't measured by how loud you are, how busy you look, or how much you get done today. Some of the most important days of growth are the quiet ones. The days when you're resting, healing, or simply surviving. Think about it. A phone on 10% is still a phone. A cloudy day is still a day. And you, even at your lowest, are still valuable. So if today feels heavy, don't judge yourself. Don't compare. Don't panic. You're allowed to slow down. You are allowed to take a breath. And you are allowed to exist without performing for the world. Your energy might change, but your value never does.